Hey, welcome back to my channel. Headlights front headlamps direct replacement pair. Perfect headlight assembly fit for 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008 Toyota Corolla all model. Created to be a perfect replacement for your factory installed headlight to save up your time and effort and brings a different appearance to vehicle that's great for show use or replacement. Replaces hashtag 811500220, 811500220, 811100230, 811100370, 81110-0230, 81150-0235, 22503160, 22502160. Guaranteed quality. New lens and reflector provide superior lighting and ensure a pleasurable and comfortable driving experience, thoroughly tested to deliver smooth operation and completely sealed to prevent moisture from being trapped inside the housing. For toughness, impact resistance, and heat resistance. To endure rough road conditions over a long time. Plug-and-play installation. These bolt-on style headlights are designed for quick and easy installation. There's no need for any modifications, they drop right into the factory location, waterproof, dust-resistant and corrosion-resistant. Note, light bulbs you are required to reuse or purchase new. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.